how do we create a process which automatically retries the current exception item? So I have already created a process, and I have already created work queue. You can see the work queue here, which is a rough queue. We are going to do some insertion in the rough queue, and we are going to test it. So I have provided the key name as name. So to save your time, I already created add to queue page, and we will run it shortly. I am adding the work queue items to the work queue. So once added, let's see the work queue whether it is added or not. So we have added one item here. So these are all item because these are all the items added since the empty rows are there. So I'm going to just delete these things, and you can see one item is already added in the queue, and I'm going to get that item here, and I have already got the item, and you can see it's been locked here. And what we are going to do here is we are going to directly mark this item as exception. So I have already marked this case as exception, and we are refreshing here, and it is already marked as exception. Now what should we do? We have to automatically retry that. So for that we need to do two settings. One is we need to do it in the stage itself, which is retry flag as true, and after doing this also we cannot achieve whatever we are expecting. So what we have to do here is you have to do the settings in work queue. In the work queue you can see where is work queue? Yeah, work queue. In the work queue you can see maximum items. This is the main important settings. If you give 3 times maximum items, it will retry for 3 times and it will mark it as exceptions. If you give 5 times, then it will try for 5 times likewise. So we have already changed the settings. So what I am going to do now, I am going to run the process again. But before that there are multiple empty items are there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete these empty rows to make sure everything is working perfect. So here there is, you can see there is one yes character is there. That's why there are a lot of empty columns. So I'm going to delete these and save this worksheet, and I'm going to run. So item has been already added. Let's confirm back. We're going to work queue, and you can see one more row has been added automatically. Now what I'm going to do to make it clear, I'm going to delete the already worked cases. There is only one item is there. Now we are going to get that item, and we are going to mark it as exception. Now we are going to see here in the work queue, and you can see one is marked as exception and another one is already automatically retried by Blue Prism. So what we are going to do, we are going to run it again from the next stage, and let's see how many times it is retrying. Okay, now let's see, it's already 2 times retried. We are refreshing, and third time it got failed. So what is the settings we have already provided here? Maximum attempt should be 3. So it's already attempted 3 times, and it doesn't retried again. So this is how we can set up a process to automatically retry the exception items. Please let me know in the comment if you want me to explain more topics which you are interested. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.